Good day, this is Mike Olden. Look forward to working with you on your next truck. I want to take you on a quick walk around a really unique type of a dump truck. It has a 2-foot aluminum cross box and it has an aluminum 13-foot dump body. We've incorporated side fold downs on the driver's side for ease of loading, barn doors at the rear, and on the passenger side we have a pallet door for loading as well. Underneath on each side we have a storage box, and I want to take some closer looks with you. All right, let's talk about access when you're on property. You have to be able to use your dingo, your other machines that you have for front end loading. We're taking a look at this wide doored. This gives you 79 inches of side load ability, 26 inches tall. From the ground, that puts us at 60 inches for you using your dingo or other front end loader on property where you're working. Again, 26 inches tall, 79 inches long. On the back of the body, it's again a barn door at the back. On the inside we have tie downs. Why do we have tie downs on the inside? We're going to be looking to load this for a ditch witch, wheelbarrows and the like. Underneath both sides of the body we have a pull-out ramp which will sit on this tray. It's been designed to work with the Ditch Witch 5600 for loading of heavy or of course light equipment. To access the pull-out ramp is easy. On both sides we have pockets. We have a cotter key to keep the door shut, and removing it is a simple pull. Alright, so now we've got both of the ramps pulled out. We got to where you can go ahead and load up your dingo, you can load up your ditch witch, you can load up your wheelbarrows, because on the front of the body we've conveniently installed a full width 40-inch deep wheelbarrow rack that gives you ability to do the job the right way one time through in your job. This is one of the more unique trucks you're going to find because it's built and designed specifically for an environment where construction install is needed. Again, when you have these two ramps butted together, you have an easy transition further ground to the back of your bed where we've had tie downs, D-rings to secure your load. This prevents shifting. So after you've done your load out, go drop your material, come back, pick up your unit if you don't want to go ahead and pull a trailer behind you. So the ramps that give you the access to the back of the body, they're again 24 inches wide and 105 inches long. When we put this together, that's almost a pallet width of access to the back of your body. This is one of the better ways to take a look at loading and unloading, light or heavy duty, and think of the foot application you have to where your employees will be protected as they load and unload your product. You also have available to you a curbside swing door for the purposes of loading pallets. So with this in the open position, you now have full 48 inches of pallet opportunity here. So this gives you a pallet in the midpoint as well as using the back door without having to scuff your floor. That's added convenience, added accessibility for you on your job site. Let's go ahead and talk about tying down your tarp as you are ready for the end of the day or in transit. We have located in staggered positions places for you to go ahead and tie in this to your particular straps that meet up with your grommets. So to make sure you have adequate space inside your construction install, landscaping, and mulch delivery truck, you may want to consider adding in a front box. This particular front box is 24 inches wide, 54 inches tall, 96 inches deep, and has 2 shelves on the interior. Again, this is Mike Olden. I look forward to working with you on your next truck, specing one that meets the needs for you. You can reach me at molden@lee-smith.com or by cell phone 423-618-3323. You can reach me at 404-379-7352 or shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com.